Heat 5 of the women's 800 coming up next. While we're waiting for that to set up, I might as well introduce. Wearing hip number 1 in Heat 5 would be Sarah Gallo, a senior for Stanislaus. Hip number 2, Rebecca Evans. Hip number 3, Beatriz Martinez. Hip number 4, Michelle Catagonio. Hip number 5, Haley Bizanson. Hip number 6, Mara Guzman. Hip number 7, Sierra Brown. Hip number 8, Anna Henning. Hip number 9, Dakota Grossman. Hip number 10, Nicole Mather. Hip number 11, Camille Hansen. Hip number 12, the 8th grader, Isabella Faria. Hip number 13, Natalie Ackerley. And hip number 14, Emily Moon.
Well, you did it, and that's what matters. I wouldn't mind.
Wait, what meter of the 5K are you on?
I will walk up.
Leading the race early is Haley Bizanson from Alaska Anchorage, and right behind her, Anna Henning from Monterey Bay. And behind her, Rebecca Evans. Haley Bizanson holding strong in the lead right now, coming into the bell lap. A 3-way fight per second, 5-way make that. Michelle Catagonia from College of Idaho in second right now, and Rebecca Evans from University of Alabama in third. Alabama Birmingham, correction. Bizanson with a healthy lead. See if she can hold it. Moving into second. Moving into second, we have Michelle Catagonia. 3-way fight per second, and they're working their way up to first. Haley Bizanson is going to have to hold them off. Michelle Catagonia, Sarah Gallo, and Isabel Faria fighting. Faria coming into second. Faria fighting for first. Bizanson got to hold her off. Bizanson sees it. Faria passes for the win. Faria's going. Bizanson second. 2:14 unofficially for Faria.